Hello guys, welcome to Generation Unravel. In this video, we're going to be showing you how you can get to access Bard AI, which is Google's new AI, which is similar to ChatGPT in one way or another, but has its own unique features. So all you need to do is search up Google Bard on Google, and you'll be you can just search up this URL right here, bard.google.com, and just when you come to this homepage, just click on Try Bard, just read the terms and privacy, or scroll down, and then you'll be given the I agree button down here, and then now you just be given literally immediately to the Bard app. And that is because I am currently logged in on my Google. If you haven't been logged in on Google, then you will just be redirected to the login page, and afterwards, after you log in, you'll just be sent to this page immediately. So we are here some suggestions on what to do. Let's just click on one of these to see what Bard does. So we could drop a design brief for my community bookstore new logo. So what Bard does not really design or like visualize the design, but just gives you some suggestions and to make the design look as good, to make it as marketable as possible so that it can help you. Other than that, Bard just works in ways that is really just similar to ChatGPT. So like if you're like trying to experiment on different AIs, then you should try Bard. But that is how you get Bard AI. I hope this video helped you. Like, comment, subscribe if it did. This is Generation Unravel. See you in the next one. Bye bye!